Now step one in changing a lawnmower tire is remove the wheel from the mower. I used to lift the mower onto a milk crate, but now fortunately I've got a floor jack. Remove the hubcap, then remove the E-ring, then remove the washer and pull the wheel off the mower. We did both front tires. Lubricating the tire makes it a lot easier to break the bead and remove it from the rim. Next, break the bead. This is probably the hardest part of the job. You can use knuckles or get a piece of equipment that does just that, or you can use clamps like I did in this case.
Bead is broken.
And while you have the soapy sudsy water out, now's a great time to clean the rim.
Oh, look at that. Look at that. See that?
Once the bead is broken, use pry bars, screwdrivers, or tire iron or what's known as tire spoons to remove the tire from the rim. And did the same for the other tire. Next, mount the new tire on the rim. Again, lubricating the tire bead will get it to go on a lot easier. You can also use petroleum jelly as a lubricant.
Fast as I can.
Now it's time to inflate the tire. To get the bead of the new tire as close to the rim as possible, I used some ratchet straps. You may see some folks spray some brake cleaner and then ignite it. I didn't do that because we did this in my garage. And onto the other tire.
Yeah, this makes me feel a lot better.
Once you have the tire inflated, apply that soapy, sudsy water and check for leaks. Good thing I checked this tire. There's a leak right there.
Bubbling?
I bounced the tire a few times and the bead set and the leak stopped. And onto the other tire.
I don't want to.
And finally, remount the wheel onto your mower. Seven steps. It's just that easy. For more lawn and garden tips and suggestions, click the image on your screen now.